cavity pump, it will take the thickened sludge, because the sludge now is coming thick, to the sludge dewatering system. We have two screw press units, even also duty and standby. So this is unit located inside sludge dewatering building. Okay, and also these two units or the skips connected to the odor control, because also that area we have odor emission in this. So this is we reach to part of the sludge handling. Let us to go back again to the bare meat water. This is the water coming from here, going to the chlorine contact tanks. So this is the chlorine contact tanks. In that area, chlorine will be added. I think there is something here. Hypochlorite. There is missing one line here. Okay, I think we did. Okay, during the venting. So here there is a. I think this is the one. Yeah. Okay, so this is the sodium hypochlorite injected in that area. So you have to keep also retention time like 30 minutes for the water to make sure that it's mixed with the chlorine. We have only two elevated pumps, because actually our tanks coming down, and we have two TSE tanks above the ground. This purpose only just to lift the treated water, only for lifting. So we have two tanks, GLS, with capacity of 7,000, each one 3,500. Okay. So the treated water has come here. We have also a distribution system. It goes to the tanker filling station. It goes to the washing system, fire pumps. And so this is the last stage, okay, from the CCD. This is the chemical dosing. We have three sets of chemical dosing. We have sodium hypochlorite for disinfection. We have another sodium hypochlorite. It will be used maybe every 1 month or 2 months or 3 months